back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Crystal, and as you can see, when you got the ball cap method, you already know we about to install this wig. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So I wanted to show you guys real quick the ball cap or the wig cap that I am wearing, and I got these from Amazon. I got them in a pack of 6. But I think they come, no, I got them in a pack of 10. I think they come in 5, 10. I think there may be the only 2. But anyway, I'll have it linked down in the description box below. But these are the BO's HD wig cap. I really like this brand wig caps because I feel like they're super fitted. Like, they're not fitted to the point like you get a headache, like it's too tight. But the other ones, how like sometimes they'll just move. Like, I feel like once you put it on, like it's really on. And this is it comes 2 in a pack, and this is what it looks like. Very thin, breathable. It's not as thick as your regular wig cap. So yeah. So I'm doing a wig reinstall in style. So this is the wig I'm going to be reinstalling. I did do a review. It never got put out, so you can kind of say this is it. But this is the wig. I know you probably see a little bit of that, but I don't care. So everything about this wig will be in the description box below, where to get it from, what's the name of it, all of those details will be there. I will say that I really enjoy this wig. It does shed. Not a lot, but it does shed. So keep that in mind. But other than that, I really like this wig. So let's get into it.
Push B. Yeah, push B. Turn me up. Turn me up, B. Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push B. Cop no hammer for my piece. We don't want no peace. Got started cost back. Please. Drop the data, now we clap. Inside the piece. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push B. Push a P. I'm capital P, I write the president, count presidents. Portuguese on her knees, my banana P. She let me squeeze, then she leave, cause she keep P. Privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, piece of pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P. Yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P. I'm paranoid, I can't sleep, I can beat. That rest on me, why they watching me? Push a bit, push a beat, push a bit, push a beat. Touch it down, watch it, okay, bought a peak, not a pill of Porsche. Push a beat, 3 P's, popcorn Porsche. Push a beat, I just fuck a cup of water. Push a P, red band, and a card. I'ma be you at your whole endorsement. She ain't vanilla for me, she simply portion. I never saw off, now we finally touched. She ready to get in the streets with me, no question. Too rich to fix, I let my shoulder forward. Take the P at the alphabet, nigga try to sword. I'm pushing P, push a 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 P. see that we falling off lately. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. The truth is not hiding. That's just the way we are. But can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you, I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that.
Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you juggle your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own, I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive, more than I already was. But never mind that, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug, and hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be her. I'm sending you SZA and Ari, my love. Y'all holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm coming.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my